You want to know how citations can help you grow your Google business profile? So guys, citations are nothing but these are just listing on different business directories which are related to your business, relevant to your business. When you create a profile on those directories, like it can be Just Dial, it can be IndiaMart, and there can be so many other directories like Yellow Pages, and also when you create a listing on that and you keep the same name as on your business profile, same address, same number, all the details same as your Google business profile, then Google automatically catches signals via its bots, and when anyone searches on those directories with different keywords, then on those keywords Google starts building your profiles signals so that it starts appearing better on those particular keywords. So you should create citations for growth of your Google business profile, and for that our tool Google Business Profile Growth Manager gbpgm will help you a lot because it has a quick citation building tool. So try Google Business Profile Growth Manager gbpgm now.